The MOVA Z60 Ultra Roller Complete is a powerhouse cleaning solution worth every penny. If you are curious about the latest price of this robot vacuum and mop, you can check it out from the description below. With an industry-leading 28,000 pascals suction and dual anti-tangle rollers, this vacuum handles pet hair, dust, and debris effortlessly without constant stops to untangle. It's a huge time saver for busy households and anyone tired of manually cleaning floors. One of the standout features is its AutoShield carpet protection, which not only lifts the mop but also deploys a moisture shield to keep carpets dry and clean, a level of protection most robots simply don't provide. Coupled with HydroForce real-time mop washing, the roller mop is continuously rinsed with a 12-nozzle system, ensuring streak-free, fresh cleaning every time. You don't have to worry about leftover grime or dirty mop water ruining your floors. The MaxiReach edge-to-edge cleaning system is another game-changer. Its 25.6 centimeters extended roller mop and smart side brushes cover corners, baseboards, and edges with up to 99.99% efficiency. Plus, the adaptive all-terrain mobility with StepMaster 2.0 lets it climb thresholds up to 8 centimeters while gliding under furniture with its slim 96mm profile, so no area is left untouched. The self-care base station completes the hands-free experience. It handles auto-emptying, hot water mop washing, dual solution refilling, and even hot air drying, keeping maintenance minimal. While the base requires hardwiring, the convenience of never manually emptying or washing the mop is worth it. It's not just smart, it's versatile. You can control the Z60 via app, touchpad, or voice commands, making it easy to fit into any home routine. The only minor downside is its weight at 30 pounds, which can make relocating it slightly cumbersome. Overall, if you want a truly thorough, automated cleaning system, the MOVA Z60 Ultra Roller Complete is an excellent choice.